Okay, so we're talking to a lot of business leaders are going to listen to this. General managers of a business unit, someone who's like, all right, I know the tech folks over there know what this is about, but I'm a little intimidated by it. How do I identify how to get started with an AI initiative in my company? Like, do I start from the bottom up with the business process? Do I understand the technology first? Like, just give us a little guidance on how a typical general manager level business leader might start.
That's right, right? It's always a challenge. How do I take my first step? How do I make the decision? What is going to be my first step to be? So let's say an approach that I have observed while working with some of the clients or in our team itself. This is not about technology first. It's always about business value. Start with business problem identification, but you be strategic about it. Look for issues. What are the Look for the issues that are significant enough to matter to your bottom line. It is important, but also specific to be manageable. But the best candidates are usually where you have data, where you can measure success, or you can demonstrate wins or value quickly. For example, rather than saying, hey, we need to improve the customer service, it's a very broad statement. But focus on something like, hey, we want to reduce the response times or call wait times or customer wait times, customer inquiries by X% or X minutes. So have a specific business problem identification. Okay, that's your first step. And then we talked about it. Assess your data. Data readiness is critical, it's crucial, but sometimes it's overlooked. You need to understand what data you have, where it is stored, whether it's reliable. Think of this data as fuel to your engine. Without good fuel, even the best engine, it can't work properly. Don't be discouraged if your data is not perfect. Now start by documenting what you have and what you need. Often, you can begin with a subset of data while building a data collection strategy. So you have business problem, you have data, and then build your business case and make it practical. There are three elements, right? Again, what is the cost of my current problem? What is the benefit of adopting an AI solution? What are the resources I need to have to get there to solve that problem with my AI solution? So build your quantitative metrics like what are my cost savings or what is my revenue increase percentage, and also have qualitative benefits. It's like what is my customer satisfaction improvement or what is my employee experience improvement. That is important. So considering these aspects, start with a pilot project. Now choose something that shows results in 3 to 6 months, usually short duration, that allows you to learn the experience in a small controlled environment, build credibility for larger initiatives, and you also develop internal expertise and identify address organizational changes early. That's how you start small. And this is not AI specific, this is for everything. Equally important thing is assembling the right team. You don't need a team of data scientists for any AI initiative. You need a group of people, core group of people, who's a business leader who understands what problem you're solving, and then someone who understands the data, uh, one of the key crew member, and then stakeholders who will use the solution, and project manager who can coordinate across all these departments. This is essential, having a team, but here having a data scientist here is a crew key member. So always start small, focus on value, and build momentum to build the demonstrable success. So identifying the problem, business problem, is the key.
And hopefully those folks will become champions throughout the rest of the company, right?
Definitely, definitely. That's why we start small and iteratively build on it.
Yeah, yeah.